Hey, I'd like to welcome you to Season 1, Episode 1 of Top Stocks podcast. It's not just a podcast, but it's also a YouTube channel, just the Tykr YouTube channel. And my goal is to help you become a more confident investor. I'll be talking about some stock reviews, I'll be doing some market updates, but I'll also talk about business, entrepreneurship, sales, marketing, leadership, and more. The reason is I found that as I become better at business, I actually become better at investing. And as I become better at investing, I actually become better at business. The two go hand in hand. So I'll be leveraging a lot of my mistakes made, lessons learned, really my past business experience. And then I'll cite sources when I do use case studies and data. Now, with the second episode, it's titled My Backstory. And just a heads up, I'm trying to make each of these videos about 10 to 15 minutes long, sometimes a little shorter, sometimes a little longer. But that video is a little over a half hour. Just want to give you a forewarning now, but it gives you my 20-year backstory in business. What have I done? What kind of business experience do I have? What kind of investing experience? But you really get all the details in that video. And I also share some fun case studies, some lessons learned along the way. But that's it. Just want to say thanks again for checking out the podcast and the YouTube channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.